Hey, hello everyone. Greetings of the day. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on what time of the day you're watching this video, right? And a huge warm welcome from Prism Stocks Trading Academia. So, guys, this basically is an introductory video, right? Uh, about a very basic but definitely important and probably one of the most needed course of the hour, right? For everyone and anyone. We call it DTA, that is your detailed technical analysis, right? It's our own jargon. And and we thought that it is good to introduce this video to everybody so that everybody can understand what all is going to be covered over here and why is it for everyone. So basically, if you are one of those people जो सोच रहा है कि यार ट्रेडिंग करनी चाहिए, right? Or if you are one of those people who have already entered into the world of stock market but you're new, or you might be an experienced person who's been trading from quite some time, right? This video is for everyone. So let me quickly you know walk you through what all are we going to cover in our DTA course. In a sense, tell you why would you require it, आपके लिए कोर्स ज़रूरी क्यों है. Yeah. So, guys, our course is designed from end to end, starting right from the root, that is, understanding the basics of stock market, right? And here we start with to understand why people fail in stock market. ये जानना बहुत ज़रूरी है. But more importantly, we will also find out why you should still trade in stock market, right? We'll be understanding different types of exchanges, different type of markets, and understanding different stocks in an Indian stock market, right? We'll be understanding what is Sensex, what is Nifty, right? What are companies that form Nifty, right? What are their weightages sector wise? We'll be discussing what is NSE, your National Stock Exchange, right? What is SEBI? We'll be understanding what is the role and objectives of SEBI. Why is a demat and trading account required? हमें इनकी जरूरत क्यों है, right? Most importantly, guys, we'll be discussing what is the future of Indian stock market. And of course, even important than that, how can you leverage it, right? Then we move on to our next chapter, that is the introduction to your technical analysis. Of course, we start with basic of technical analysis, right? How to identify the right direction of markets. We'll be discussing what is the P ratio, what is it telling you, why you should be listening to it. Then the next chapter is about the candlestick patterns, different chart types. Yeah, discussing will be understanding your line charts, your bar charts, your candlestick charts, right? How to read and analyze these charts. We'll be discussing some of the most important candlestick patterns. Patterns like your hammer, your reverse hammer, Marubizu, right? Your different dojis, bullish engulfing, your morning star, and of course, there are many other candlestick patterns that you will be learning. But more important than that is that how to identify which are the bullish and which are the bearish candlestick patterns so that you can take trade appropriately, right? Then we move on to what are the chart patterns. Now we understood what are candlestick patterns, then we'll move on to what are different chart patterns, right? So here we'll be understanding your double top, your double bottom, your triple top, triple bottom, your head and shoulder, right? The very famous cup and handle, right? The different triangle chart patterns, your wedges, the flags, and many more. Now that you've understood the chart patterns, it is important to understand how do you identify potential trades in them, correct? Next, we move on to your support and resistance, probably one of the most important topic in tech analysis, right? We'll understand what is support and resistance. What are the different ways to plot them? Here we'll be covering how to plot your support and resistance using your trend lines, your Fibonacci retracements, your pivot points, and your moving averages, right? How are support and resistance used, right? How to identify a trend reversal through them. Now, guys, if you master this, अगर आपने इसको समझ लिया, you have changed your game. How to identify a short term, mid term, and long term trade, correct? So then we move on to your next topic, that is your indicators and oscillators, right? We'll understand why are indicators so important, right? What are the different type of indicators and oscillators? So here we'll be covering very important indicators like volume, which is probably one of the most basic and one of the core components of many other indicators, right? We'll be covering RSI, that is your relative strength index, your stochastic RSI. We'll talk about your MACD. We'll understand your super trend. We'll understand moving averages, different type of moving averages, correct? Then we move on to the next topic, which is your trading setup and trading psychology, right? We'll be discussing what is the right trading psychology and why is it so important to have it. Remember, as I told you, at times people fail in stock market, and one of the primary reasons why they fail is because they lack the right trading psychology. But like always, there is scope of improvement. If you are also one of them, don't worry. We'll show you, we'll teach you how to improve it, right? How do you do money management? How do you do your risk management? Risk to reward ratio, right? The position size, right? We'll discuss and understand what is the 5% rule and how to be disciplined about it, right? What are different type of orders? How do you effectively place them? We'll be understanding how to maximize the profits from your trades. How do you put an effective stop loss so that you minimize loss, and not only that, you save your capital and you save your profit, correct? What is the important checklist of entering and exiting from trades, right? Then we move to the next chapter, that is importance of time frames. Now, trading with Prism stock setup in trading and non-trading markets. I don't want to discuss it over here, right? Let this be a little secret. Be a part of family, and we'll open the Pandora box. Deal? We'll move ahead to the next chapter, that is your stock filtration process, right? Intraday, be it positional trading, be it swing trading. How do you filter the right stock for it? Basics of future options. Now, guys, understand future option itself is a very vast and different topic in itself. But here in our DTA, we'll be covering at least the basics of it, right? So here we'll be discussing what are derivatives, we'll understand what are futures, we'll understand what are options, right? How do you trade in future and options? We'll discuss option chain, we'll understand open interest, and most importantly, how to interpret the change in your open interest and LTP, last traded price. Then we move on to introduction to fundamental analysis. Good to understand a little bit of fundamental analysis as well. So here in DTA, we'll also be covering the basic of fundamental analysis, wherein we'll discuss some important key ratios, and not only these ratios, but we'll also discuss and we'll share some important key variances, right, which can help you understand and identify the financial strength and growth of a company, right, and how to read and interpret, more importantly, your P&L statement, your profit and loss statement. Then bonus contents. Now guys, now apart from what we discuss as a part of syllabus of DTA, right, still there are so many other important technical aspects that we'll be covering in live webinars, right? New learning and strategies. Guys, we have been learning and sharing our learnings from so many years, and we'll continue to do so, right? So whatever new learning, whatever new strategies that we come across and we think that it is profitable, it is going to help you, we'll be sharing it in a family, right? So the course is amazing, right? So chalo, abhi, now that we're done with discussing the syllabus of DTA course, right, I want to take this opportunity and very quickly want to discuss some of the key services that we offer you the moment you opt for this course, right, and you become a part of a growing PST family, that is the Prism Stocks Training Academy family, correct? So very quickly, first, 1 year access to all course specific tutorials and study materials. Guys, we understand that human mind tends to forget, and even if you do that tomorrow, even if you forget certain things tomorrow, don't worry, you have got round the year access to everything. So visit, revisit, and keep yourself updated. Second, 1 year trading support and guidance. Now this is amazing, guys. Tomorrow, if you're still unclear with certain things or something new comes up, reach out to us, right, and we'll be more than happy to resolve your query. Multilingual training is just on the corner. Anyways, multilingual support is there by default, but we also plan to come up with more languages very soon. Demat account opening support. So guys, if you do not have a demat account today, or you're unhappy with your current demat account, or you're still confused how to go for it, count on us. We already have tie-ups with fires, zeros, and upstocks, right? And we can help you create one. We'll be sharing some interesting trade calls for you to analyze in our public and private channels. So, guys, hurry and join them. Finally, guys, we have got some amazing kick-ass discounts to be grabbed, right? But again, all of them are only for limited time offer. So, guys, visit our website, go to the offers page to find out more details, right? So now that you've understood our course, guys, trust us, this is just the right course you have been always looking for. Thank you for listening to me and watching this video. Guys, visit our website at prismstocksacademy.com. You can write us at support@prismstocksacademy.com. You can WhatsApp us at 8828133184. And like I told you, importantly, join our Telegram channel today. The link is mentioned below. Hoping to see you all in the DTA course batch, guys. Take care and be safe.